Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I'm continuing with my works on equations, but today we are going to center our minds on word problems involving equations. So look at the first question we have here, and the question says that a man is 4 times as old as his daughter. 9 years ago, the sum of their ages was 42. Find their present ages. Okay, now let's assume that the daughter, so let the daughter's age be equivalent to y. If the daughter's age is equivalent to y, it means that the man's age will now be 4y, because we are told that the man is 4 times the daughter's age. So if the daughter is y years old, the man should be 4y, because the man is 4 times as old as his daughter. Then we are told here that 9 years ago. So let us see what happens 9 years ago. So 9 years ago, before we look into what happened 9 years ago, let us understand that if you are 20 years now, 9 years ago, your age should be less than 9. That is, you remove 9 years from your age. Okay, so assuming I'm 20 years now, 9 years ago, I should be 11 years. I have to remove 9 from my age. Hence, if the daughter is y years old now, 9 years ago, the daughter will be y minus 9 years, while the man will be 4y minus 9 years. This is the age of the daughter 9 years ago, and this is the age of the man 9 years ago. Same 9 years ago, we are told that the sum of their ages was 42, which means if I add this and add this together, I must get 42 years. According to the equation, the sum of their ages was 42. Therefore, y minus 9 plus 4y minus 9 will give me 42. I'm summing this daughter and the man's age to get 42. Now, collect like terms. Y plus 4y will give us 5y. Minus 9 minus 9 is the same thing as minus 18, equal to 42. Then minus 18 will cross over, it turns to plus. Therefore, 5y is the same thing as 42 plus 18. Okay, so now 5y is now equivalent to 60, because when I add 42 to 18, I'm getting 60. To get the value of y, I will divide both sides by 5, which is the coefficient of y. So I'm dividing by 5. When I divide 60 by 5, I am getting 12 years. This implies that the daughter is y years old, which is now 12 years. The daughter is 12 years old. Then the man's age will now be 4y, according to the equation, which is 4 times 12, because y is now 12. And when I multiply 4 by 12, I am getting 48 years. You can now see that now the man is 48 years and the daughter is 12 years. If you want to see if you are right, you can verify. 9 years ago, the sum of their ages was 42. If I remove 9 from 12, I'm getting 3. If I remove 9 from 48, I am getting 39 years. So if I add 39 and 3, it will give me 42, to show we are right. And again, we are told that the man is 4 times as old as the daughter. So if you say 12 times 4, it will still give you 48. Let us take another question. So in the second question, we are told that Omini is 3 times as old as his son. 6 years ago, the sum of their ages was 36 years. So we are asked to find their present age. So Omini is the father is 3 times as old as the son. So you can say let the son's age be equal to y, or any letter you prefer. Therefore, Omini will be equal to 3y, because we are told that Omini is 3 times as old as the son. So I'll multiply y by 3 to get 3y. So 6 years ago, so let us see what happened 6 years ago. 6 years ago, we are told that the sum of their ages was 36. But that 6 years ago, the son is y. Hence, 6 years ago, the son will now be y minus 6, because the age should be less than 6. Y minus 6 years. Y Omini will be equal to 3y minus 6 years. This is also the age of Omini. And we are told that the sum of their ages was 36, that's 6 years ago. Hence, y minus 6 plus 3y minus 6 is equivalent to 36. Then y plus 3y is 4y. Minus 6 is minus 12 equals 36. The minus 12 crossing over becomes a plus. So you have 4y equals 36 plus 12. And 36 plus 12 is equivalent to 48. Hence, 4y is equal to 48. I'll divide both sides by 4. And when I do that, you can see that y is now 12. Same thing as number 1. So, and y is the son's age. The son is 12 years. If the son is 12 years, we can easily get the age of the father, which is Omini. And to get it, you multiply by 3 because Omini is 3y. Hence, Omini will now be equal to 3 times y, which is 12. And when we do that, we get 36 years. Hence, Omini is 36 years and the son is 12 years old. If you've enjoyed what you've watched, kindly consider subscribing to my channel so that you'll be always notified whenever I upload a new content. Thank you.